So you might be stuck in a weird situation where the camera on your Android phone is just not working. Now, this can mean a few things. Maybe the camera on your specific Android phone is completely working, meaning that the camera app is perfectly fine. But when you try to open up the camera in another application, maybe something like Snapchat or whatever the case is, the camera may not be working here. Now, this is a fairly common issue and it can be kind of annoying for a lot of people out there. So, the first thing I'd recommend doing is actually checking the hardware of your specific camera. Is anything covering this camera? Are you manually covering this camera like this? If that's the case, that can probably be an issue. So, just make sure nothing is covering the camera because that can be a kind of an annoying thing for some people. Now, another thing, if for some reason that doesn't seem to be the issue, you may just want to go ahead and open up your settings application of your specific phone. Now, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your application manager of your device. So click on applications like this, and then you want to click on basically see all apps or whatever it is. Now we want to find that specific application, and we want to make sure we give it the correct permissions to access the camera, because if we don't, that's going to be the issue. So find the app. If you're having app issues, go find the app, and then what you want to do here is you want to find a little panel. If it says something like permissions right here, you want to click on it, and all you want to do is make sure it has the permissions for camera and maybe even microphone and maybe even photos and videos. So make sure you give it the proper permissions right there, and that will probably help alleviate the situation for a lot of people. Now, if the camera is still not working and you do that, the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your specific phone is up to date on a more recent version of software. If it's an application problem, you can just go through and try updating the application within your phone, and that may end up fixing it too. But if that doesn't seem to be working, you may want to just update your phone. So make your way over to the settings of your device. You then want to go down into System, or wherever your software update panel is. Go ahead and try clicking on something like System Update, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for majority of people, it'll probably will. So in terms of that, it kind of covers it up there too. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.